If you're a fan of mixed drinks or just like to keep your pantry stocked with a variety of mixers, you've probably come across both tonic water and club soda at some point. But what's the difference between the two? Is one better than the other? And can you really use them interchangeably in cocktails? Well, that's what we're here to find out. We'll be exploring the origins, ingredients, and uses of tonic water and club soda so you can make an informed decision on which one is right for you. But before we dive in, let's start with a little bit of history. Tonic water has a long and fascinating history that stretches back to the days of the British Empire in the late 1700s. British soldiers and officials stationed in India were plagued by malaria, a disease that was prevalent in the region at the time. The active ingredient in tonic water that makes it effective against malaria is quinine, which is derived from the bark of the cinchona tree. However, its bitter taste made it difficult to consume on its own. To make the quinine more palatable, British soldiers and officials began mixing it with water, sugar, and citrus, creating tonic water that was both refreshing and effective against malaria. Tonic water became hugely popular among the British colonial population, and it soon spread to other parts of the world. In the 1870s, Schweppes, a British company, began producing and bottling tonic water on a large scale, making it available to consumers around the world. Today, tonic water is a popular mixer for cocktails and mixed drinks and is enjoyed by people all over the world. Club soda, also known as soda water, has a much shorter history compared to tonic water. It was first produced in the late 18th century, when carbonated water was first invented in Europe. It was originally used for medicinal purposes and was believed to have health benefits. In the early 18th century, Joseph Priestley, an English chemist, developed a method of carbonating water by suspending a bowl of water above a beer vat at a brewery. The carbon dioxide from the fermenting beer would then dissolve into the water, creating the carbonated drink. Later, Samuel Fanstock, an American, patented a soda fountain that produced carbonated drinks by forcing carbon dioxide gas through the water. This invention made carbonated water more widely available, and soon it became a popular beverage. The name club soda is believed to have originated from the soda fountains that were popular in the United States in the early 20th century. These fountains were often located in social clubs, hence the name club soda. Today, club soda is a popular mixer for cocktails and mixed drinks, and is also enjoyed on its own as a refreshing and fizzy beverage. Now that we have a little bit of context, let's dive into the main differences between tonic water and club soda. Flavor profile. Tonic water has a distinct bitter taste due to the presence of quinine, which is balanced by sweeteners such as high fructose corn syrup or sugar. Additionally, tonic water contains citric acid, which gives it a slightly acidic and citrusy flavor. The bitterness of quinine in tonic water is often described as having a slightly medicinal taste, although some people enjoy its unique flavor profile. On the other hand, club soda has a slightly salty taste due to the presence of minerals such as sodium bicarbonate and sodium chloride. Club soda is generally considered to have a milder flavor profile compared to tonic water, with a more neutral taste that makes it a versatile mixer in cocktails. Some brands of club soda may also contain added flavors, such as lemon or lime, to enhance their taste. Carbonation level. Both tonic water and club soda are carbonated, but tonic water is designed to maintain its carbonation longer so that its effervescence lasts throughout the drink. This is because tonic water is often used as a mixer in cocktails, where its carbonation can help to balance the sweetness of other ingredients and give the drink a refreshing fizz. The higher level of carbonation also helps to enhance the bitter flavor of quinine. Club soda has a lower level of carbonation than tonic water. This is because it is generally used as a mixer in cocktails or consumed on its own as a refreshing beverage. The lower level of carbonation in club soda can make it a more versatile mixer, as it is less likely to overpower the other ingredients in a cocktail. Usage. In terms of uses, tonic water is primarily used in cocktails, particularly gin and tonics. Its bitterness pairs well with the juniper flavors of gin and can help to balance out sweeter mixers. Club soda, on the other hand, is more versatile and can be used in a variety of cocktails as well as for cooking and as a standalone drink. So, Can you use tonic water and club soda interchangeably in cocktails? It really depends on the drink and your personal preference. If you're looking for a more bitter, carbonated mixer, tonic water might be the way to go. But if you want a more neutral base for your cocktail, club soda might be a better choice. Nutritional value and health benefits. Now, let's talk about the health aspects of tonic water and club soda. Tonic water and club soda are both low in calories, with tonic water typically containing around 80 calories per 8-ounce serving, and club soda containing no calories. Tonic water is often advertised as containing quinine, which is a compound that has been historically used to treat malaria. However, the amount of quinine in tonic water is generally too low to have any significant medicinal benefits. Additionally, most brands contain added sweeteners, which can contribute to weight gain and other health issues if consumed in excess. On the other hand, club soda contains minerals such as sodium and potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance in the body. However, some brands of club soda may also contain added sodium or other ingredients, such as artificial flavors or preservatives, which can be unhealthy if consumed in excess. When selecting between tonic water and club soda, it's important to consider the intended use of the beverage. Another factor to consider is the flavor profile and health benefits. If you are looking for a low-calorie, sugar-free option, club soda may be a better choice than tonic water. Additionally, club soda contains minerals like sodium and potassium, which can help to regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance in the body. However, some people prefer a highly carbonated beverage with a distinct flavor profile, while others may prefer a milder beverage with less carbonation. If you enjoy the bitter taste of quinine and a highly carbonated beverage, tonic water may be the better choice. However, if you prefer a more neutral flavor profile and a milder carbonation level, club soda may be the better option. To sum it up, tonic water and club soda may seem similar at first glance, but they have distinct differences in ingredients, carbonation, and uses. If you're still unsure which one to choose, why not try them both and compare for yourself? Experiment with different cocktail recipes or simply enjoy them on their own. With their unique flavor profiles and carbonation levels, tonic water and club soda offer a range of options for different tastes and preferences. So next time you're in the mood for a refreshing fizzy drink, consider the qualities of each and choose the one that suits you best. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos and leave a comment below to let us know which beverage you prefer and why.